Starting understanding place value. Exercise 1.3 Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learners Book 4. So exercise 1.3 first question number A, what is the value of the digit 9 in 950302? So look, here is a 950302. So we have to find out the value of 9. So 9, we can consider this one is a 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. So what is the name of the first or unit digit? It's a ones digit, right? And this one is a tenth, and this is 100, right? So what about this is a 1000, right? It's a 1000. So how many thousand? Here's a 900,000. So our first question answer, this is 900,000, right? 900,000. 900,000. So first question answer done. What is the value of 5 digit? So here is a 5 digit. It's a what? It's a 50,000. So we can write this one is a 50,000. Okay, so first question answer done. Second question, here is a mention. Mia is thinking of a 5-digit whole number. She says it has a 2 in the 10,000 place. 2 in the 10,000 place. So let's look at this. Here is a 0, 0, 0. It's 100. Then 1000 start 1, 2, 3. It's 1,000. So first clue, it's a 2 is a 10,000 place. It means here is a 2. Then in the 2 in the 10,000 place and in the tens place also what? 2. So look, this is a 1 place, this is a 10 place, this is a 100 place, and this is a 1000 place. So 10 place also 2. Okay, it has a 5 in the 1000 place. 5 is a 1000 place. So 1, 10, 100, this is a 1000 start. So here is a 5. And in one place also 5. It has a 0 in the 100 place. So this is a 0. What number is Mia thinking of? It's a very simple. Here is a 2, 5, 0, 2 and 5. Okay, so we can write this one 25,000, 25,000 and 25, right? Done. So question 1 and 2 done. Question 3, decompose these numbers by copying and filling in the missing numbers. So look, here is a 805469. So 9 is a 1 place, 6 is a 10 place, right? So what you are writing in here, is it 6 or 60? What? It should be 60. 60. And then 4 is a 100 place, so we can write 400. 5 is a 1000 place, and 8 is a 800 place. So we can write this one 8, then 0, 0, then 000. or we can write it's a clear format like 800,000, then 5,000, and then 400, and then 60, and finally plus 9. I hope you cleared this one. Next one, here is a 689,567. So 600,000, it's the first part, 6 done. Then 8 we can write in here. Here is the space is very short, so 600, it means 600,000, plus then 89,000, it means 880,000. It's a 80123, and then it's a 9,000, 9000, and then it's a 500, then 60, and then finally it's a 7. Okay, so what about this one, number C? So C, first 1 2 3 4 5, it means 5 1 2 3 4 5. What does mean? It means it's a 500,000, right? And then plus 0, no need to write, it has no successive value, and then 8,000, and then 200, and then 8. Okay, so this is a this place, this place, this place, and this one is a 8 is the last place. Okay, very simple. Borno says the largest 5-digit number is less than 100,000. Is Borno correct? So what do you think? So the largest 5-digit, it's a like largest 5-digit, it's a 59, 1 2 3 4 5, and it's a less than 1, less than it's a is 1 less than 100,000. It's a 1 2 3 4 5, and if you take 1, it's 100,000. Yes, yes, Borno says right. Okay, number 5. Number 5, it's a which number sentence has a different missing number? What is it? Different missing number. So different missing number, it's like here is a 20, it's a 20, so we can write here is a 300, right? So and here is if you divide, so 20 already out, so here is a 300. 3 times 100, it's a 300. So here is a 30. So if we divide 300 by 10, it will be 30. So here is a 20, it's a 20. So we can write here is a 30, right? Or 300, which one? Here is a 30, and here is already 20, so we can write this one is a only 30. 30 times 100, it's a 3000. And finally here is a 0 and 0, so we can multiply this one by 300. Okay, very simple. Now calculate 67 times 10. It's a very simple. Once if you want to multiply any number with 10, just in front you can use a 0. It means 67 and just 0. 3600 divide 100. So once you divide, so this 0, this 0, this 0, this 0 out, it means only 36. 350 divide 10, It means first 0 will be out equals to 35. Here is a 40 divide 10. It's a 4 times 10 is a 40. It means 0 and 0 out. It will be only 4. 415. Once you multiply with 0, so just use a 0 in front of 5. And finally, here is a 35 times 100. It means 0, 0. Very simple. So number 6, done. Number 7. If you multiply 606 by 10, what changes and what says the same? Discuss your answer with partner. So it's a 606. Digit 6 and 6 remain. So here is a two thing. First one, what changes and what says the same? Discuss your answer with partner. Look, what changes? The place value of the digit shift left and the number becomes 6060. It means 606. Once we multiply by 0, the result will be 606 and in front you use 0. So all the numbers are shift to left side like this. And what says the same? The same, it will be 606 remain the same. It's a after by after. Initially 6, then 0, then 6. Here is also same thing, 6, then 0, then 6. Okay, so thank you very much for being with me. After this understanding the place value, we have finished, which is exercise 1.3, and next video we will start our check our progress. It's a very important, right? So next video will come very soon. Till then, take care, keep practice, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.